Hi guys, it's 2:25 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 8:25 ng gabi. So ngayon guys, malamig masyado guys, as in. So tamad ako magluto guys. So ito yung mabilisang luto lang guys. Kaya nagluto na lang ako ng pansit canton para no rice tayo. So ayan guys, ang halo ko ay ribs and liempo and hot dog. So ayan guys. So ito yung medyo may basa ng konti ang ating pansit guys, kasi masarap kumain guys kapag nagaulan. Maulan, malamig ngayon guys, as in. So this is my kind of pansit guys. Masarap talaga siya guys, promise. Look, my kind of pansit, it's really masarap guys, I promise. Kain tayo guys.